Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync Foxtrot 9. First, ensure your Foxtrot 9 master unit and all auxiliary devices are fully charged and powered on. Place them within a range of approximately 3 meters for optimal signal strength. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful synchronization. We will cover each step in detail, ensuring you achieve perfect alignment across all your Foxtrot 9 components, making the process straightforward and efficient. To begin, activate the pairing mode on your Foxtrot 9 master unit. Look for a blinking blue light indicator. Next, on each auxiliary unit, press and hold the sync button for about 5 seconds to enable its discovery function. You should see a green light confirming it is searching. Once connected, the lights will turn solid blue, indicating a stable wireless link between all devices, typically within 10 seconds. With a stable connection, initiate the data synchronization from the master unit's interface. Select the Sync All option, which typically takes about 30 seconds for a full transfer of up to 200 megabytes of data. A progress bar will display on the master unit, showing the data exchange. If an error message appears, pause and reinitiate the process within 5 seconds to resolve minor glitches. After synchronization, perform a quick system check. All Foxtrot 9 units should display a solid green status light, indicating successful data alignment. You can also verify by accessing a shared file or setting from any auxiliary unit. If issues persist, such as a flashing red light, consult your user manual's troubleshooting section. Often, a simple restart of all units and repeating the sync process resolves most common problems within 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.